Look at me. Watch me secure my first ever concert ticket. I can do this. We can do this. We have 30 minutes left. The Gcash is ready, I think. Let's check. Let's check. Gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. I don't know what Cassie's doing right now, pero ang alam ko, she's supposed to be in the first aid kit training, first aid training sa RCY. I don't know what's happening. This or mine? Okay. I still have 30 minutes left, so I'll continue later. 1 minute! Wait. I mean, no, 2 minutes left pala. My bad. 2 minutes left. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, seconds na lang. Seconds na lang. Seconds na lang. Seconds na lang. Okay po, okay po. I'll open it now. Gotta open the Gcash. Gotta open everything. Gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. 19 seconds. Adalito na. Ganito pala siya ka-stressful. Opo. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. It's, ang bagal. Ang bagal. How's it holding up for the others? How's it holding up for the others? I need update. Okay. It's kind of, oh my gosh, this isn't it. Oh no. Okay. Hindi pa siya naglalakad. Hindi pa siya naglalakad. Hindi pa siya naglalakad. Hindi pa siya naglalakad. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. More than an hour. More than an hour? No! Huh? Shucks, 10,000? No! Kasi 10,000. I mean, there's hope. 10,000 ang nasa unahan ko. Ilan dito? 13,000. May 13,000. Okay. 13,000 is cool. Sa tab ko na ito. $13,000 daw. Sa tab ko na ito, 23, this is too much, no? Same ba siya with the others? 23, 23, 23, 23, 23. No, not it. Oh my gosh, this is cool. 18. Same ba siya with the others? I mean, there's hope. Dito 26. Is it because I opened it late? This one. Ne! Oh my gosh, huwag ka na, te. Huwag ka na. Halang ganda nga ng incognito. Ay, hindi. Ang ganda ng tatlo na to. Puro 48,000 yung nandito. It's not giving. It's not giving. 48,000. No. Definitely not this 48,000. And naka-incognito na ako nito. I mean, it's fine. It's cool. There's still hope. But like, the 13,000. Wait lang. How many na kayo sa phone ko? This one is 10,000. This one is cooler. Wait, let me check this one. Puro 10,000 yun sa phone ko. Huh? Puro 10,000 yun sa phone ko. I think, okay. Okay. No. I have 10. Ayun. My phone. It's in my phone. Go. Well, can you like notify me? Uy, Agila ng... Okay. Okay, thank you po. Thank you. How about you? Uy, Agila... no, I'm so sorry. At gmail.com. I need to be notified. Okay, gotta notify. Okay. I'll continue later pag maganda na yung progress namin. Update. Mali yung basa ko sa queue ko. Ang nabasa ko 23,000, 10,000. Yung pala 235,000. Buti na lang si Cassie. May 16K siya. So, I already sent the money to her. Go, Cassie. She has like kanina 58 minutes? Yes, 58 minutes yung kanya. And then, probably now, mga 52 na lang yan. I'm cheering for her. Go, Cassie.
What? Dandruff? I don't have dandruff. Oh, okay. You are better. Mama?